During the editing of a cost estimate document, subdivide the various jobs and work types that associate items to the various category levels. From the Structure toolbox, view a subdivision into 3 available levels with the relating amounts. Furthermore, for supercategories, define an additional grouping method with the groups function. Select a supercategory and create the first group to which this will be associated. Select another supercategory and associate it with the group created previously. Select another supercategory and create a second group, and so on. Once finished, when printing the estimate or BOQ, select the Categories page. And activate, in addition to the structural summary, the Supercategories Groups Summary.